And now, the WHIO Home Zone, where the Miami Valley's leading experts offer important information on how to maintain a happy, healthy home.
As temperatures start to get colder, you might be prepping your heating and cooling system. At Logan AC and Heat Services, we have some tips to make sure you stay warm, safe, and comfortable. When preparing your exterior, don't cover your air conditioner. Covers lead to moisture buildup, and that can corrode metal components in your system. Next, make sure the batteries are working in your thermostat and test your carbon monoxide detector. Detectors should be placed on every level of your home, especially where you sleep. When you turn on your furnace, the heat has the potential to dry out the air in your home. If you have a whole house humidifier, turn it on. But before you do, replace the water pad and switch the setting from summer to winter. Also, don't forget to turn on the water valve. No matter the age of your furnace, it's important to get it tuned up. This will lead to a better running furnace, help reduce the potential for any unwanted breakdowns, and validate the warranty. For more tips, visit our website or give us a call now. We're the home of fast, friendly service, Loganservices.
For more WHIO Home Zone segments on maintaining your home, go to WHIO.com.